Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make battery last longer on iPhone. Those battery drains faster when background activity and screen settings are not optimized. Small adjustments can significantly extend usage time. These steps focus on practical built-in settings to improve battery life. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Battery. Check battery usage by app to identify high drain apps. Close or limit usage of heavy apps. Turn on low power mode via battery power mode, then toggle on low power mode. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness. Reduce screen brightness manually. Enable auto brightness and accessibility settings. Turn off background app refresh. Now go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, then set it to Wi-Fi only or off. Disable unnecessary location services. Turn off push mail and set fetch manually. Restart your phone to refresh system processes. Tip: battery life improves most when you reduce screen brightness and limit background activity at the same time. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.